Hi, welcome to this demo of RWC User Frontend, a powerful WordPress plugin developed by Real WebCare. If you've ever wanted to give your users the ability to manage their content directly from the front end of your WordPress site, this plugin is the solution you've been looking for. With RWC User Frontend, users can log in, create posts, edit or delete them, and even update their profiles, all without needing to access the WordPress admin panel. This makes content management seamless, intuitive, and accessible for everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through the plugin's key features and show you how it can transform the way your users interact with your WordPress site. Let's dive in. Installing RWC User Frontend is quick and easy. Let me walk you through the process. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugin section and click on Add. In the search bar, type RWC User Frontend Real WebCare. Once the plugin appears, click Install Now, and then Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll find it listed in the WordPress plugins menu. Below the plugin name, you'll see a few action links, including settings. Clicking on this will take you to the plugin's option page. The option page is divided into 4 tabs: General Settings, User Settings, Post Settings, and Status Settings. Each tab allows you to customize how the plugin functions, giving you full control over user interactions and front-end content management. On the right sidebar, you'll find a handy guide on how to use the plugin's shortcode. Simply copy the provided shortcode, create a new page, and give it a title like User Dashboard. Open the block editor, add a shortcode widget, and paste the shortcode. Once you publish the page, the magic happens. In the video, you can see the newly created page in action. The shortcode works seamlessly. On the front-end dashboard, you'll notice a New Post button. This allows users to easily create and publish new content directly from the front end. Below the button, you'll see a list of existing posts. Each post comes with edit and delete icons, giving users full control over their content. They can update or remove posts with just a click. On the right side of the dashboard, you'll find the user's profile section, displaying their username and bio. This adds a personal touch to the dashboard, making it more engaging for users. On the left side, under the Post Wrap section, there's an option to specify the number of posts to display. Simply enter the number and click the Show Post button. The list will update instantly, showing the exact number of posts you've requested. Now, let's dive into the Post Settings tab in the plugin settings page. Here, you'll find an option called Number of Posts, which allows you to control how many posts are displayed on the front end. In the video, I've set this value to 10 and clicked Save Changes. When I return to the front end, you can see the post list now displays exactly 10 posts as specified. But that's not all. The Post Settings tab also includes options to sort the post list. You can choose the post order, either ascending or descending, and the post order by criteria, such as post title, date, name, or even randomly. These sorting options give you complete flexibility in how posts are organized and displayed for your users. Now, let's explore the User Settings tab. Here, let's uncheck 2 options: allow users to edit post, and allow users to delete post. After saving the changes, at the front end, you'll notice that the edit and delete icons have disappeared from the post list. This gives you control over what actions users can perform on their posts. Next, let's create a new post by clicking on the New Post button. This will open a modal with the WordPress Classic Editor. Under the Add New Post label, enter a title like "This is a test post title," and in the description field, enter the content like "This is a test post content." From the Select Author drop-down, choose an author, and from the Select Category drop-down, pick a category. On the right side, click the Featured Image button, which opens the WordPress Media Library. Select an image and click Set Featured Image. The image now appears as a preview next to the button. Finally, click the Publish button. A modal message appears, confirms the post has been published. The newly added post now appears at the top of the post list, highlighted with a green mark. On the right side, the published posts count also increases by 1, all without refreshing the page. If you click on the new post's title link, the post will open in a new tab, showcasing the seamless integration of the plugin's features. In the newly created post single page, there's a status bar displaying "No status available." This is because the author hasn't set up their status yet, a unique feature of the RWC User Frontend plugin. To update the status, let's go back to the dashboard page. Under the User Status section, an edit icon is available. Clicking on this icon allows the user to write a custom status. In the video, a status is entered, followed by clicking the Update Status button. A pop-up appears, showing a confirmation message indicates that the status has been successfully updated. Returning to the post's single page, the author's status is now displayed within the status bar, reflecting the recently updated status. By default, the status bar appears before the content. However, this placement can be adjusted from the plugin's admin settings. But what if you don't want the status bar to appear automatically? Going back once more to the Status Settings tab, the first option, Auto Insert Author Status, is unchecked and saved. Returning to the Post Content page, the status bar is no longer displayed, as it has been disabled. This level of control ensures the plugin adapts perfectly to your site's needs. Next, I will show you how to edit a post from the front end. In the video, clicking on the edit icon opens the WordPress post editor as a modal, displaying the post content. Let's update the post. First, we change the post category, and then click on the featured image button to update the featured image. This action opens the WordPress Media Uploader, where we select a new image for the post. Clicking on the Set Featured Image button, the newly selected image now appears in the image preview. Next, we click on the Update button to apply the changes. A confirmation modal appears, confirming that the post has been updated successfully. When we click the title of the edited post, we can see that the post image has been successfully updated to the newly selected image. Next, we will see how to delete a post using the RWC User Frontend plugin. Beside the edit icon, there is a delete icon on each post title. Clicking the delete icon opens a confirmation modal. Clicking yes, a confirmation modal will confirm that the post has been deleted successfully. If we navigate to the WordPress dashboard and go to the Posts menu there, we can see that the post is in the trash list. Means the delete function works perfectly. We will restore the post and publish it again to show you another functionality of the delete post. Now, we go back to the plugin settings page under the Post Settings tab. At the bottom, we change the option action for deleted post to permanently delete and save the settings. Returning to the front-end dashboard, the page is refreshed, and the previously deleted post appears again. This time, we delete the post once more, and the same confirmation modal appears. Now, checking the Posts menu, the post is no longer there, not even in the trash list. This confirms that the post has been permanently deleted. This is how the post deletion feature works in RWC User Frontend plugin. Now, let's see how to edit a user profile. In the User Profile Details section, clicking on the edit icon enables the username and user bio fields for editing. These fields can now be updated with the desired values. Clicking the close icon will disable edit mode again. In the video, the username and user bio are updated, and then the Update Profile button is clicked to save the changes. A pop-up window confirms that the profile has been updated successfully. The updated username instantly reflects across the page wherever it is displayed, with a blinking green mark, without requiring a page refresh. Next, using the same method, the user status is updated by clicking the edit icon next to it. After successfully updating, the update time is also refreshed, and now shows one. Next, in the video, the logout button is clicked from the dashboard page. After logging out, the user login form appears. This login form is built into the plugin. With this, there's no need to log in through the default WordPress login page. Users can conveniently log in directly from the front-end dashboard. And that concludes this walkthrough of RWC User Frontend. This plugin provides a seamless front-end experience for managing posts, updating profiles, and more, without needing to access the WordPress backend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress-related content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.